class one day with a shirt that said Phonify Hustler.
Oh shit, that's a LS1. Turbo.
C63. Jerry Smith, 40 ohms.
5-speed manual. Challenger. Old. That's a resto mod, bro. How you got like I don't know if my camera can pick this up, but the patina on the side of it, he just doesn't care. He just left it with the dust.
C14, Carroll Gaines, 55 Chevy.
Patina. Camaro. The Camaro can't be as badass as that Trans Am, but he can try. It's automatic. Same LS1.
C4, Larry Roberts, 55 Chevy. Walter!
Oh, dude, look over here. That's your kind of truck.
Yeah, that's C10. C10 life, bro.
That's your kind of truck, you freaking Mexican.
Not Mexican, bro. I'm Puerto Rican. Damn. The cars out here just...
Oh, that's a badass
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't exactly know what car this is.
383.
It's a Chevy too, Nova. El Camino.
Skylark.
Yeah. Buick's a badass. And the good... Wow, man, this guy didn't care, bro. Yeah. Old oil filter. Shit, look at this. Willwood brakes.
Walmart battery.
Walmart battery.
That ain't no thing.
Vortec.
Oh shit, they got the Vortec.
Is it turbo?
I don't know, man. I don't think so.
Nah, it's not turbo. You would have seen it. It's an old Camaro. Look at that Camaro's alternator.
That's a big old Vortec. That's a 6-liter Vortec.
Yeah. It's a badass Camaro.
Were you guys home?
Another Camaro. Nobody with these old cars turbos. They just leave them stock. It's a Edelbrock 5.3 liter V8.
Well, there's a certain beauty in leaving the stock.
Yeah. This guy. This engine bay. He got it all the pictures down here, man.
Damn, he rebuilt this from the ground up.
Yeah, he rebuilt that. I don't know, I'm gonna show it. It's rebuilt. It's all rebuilt.
C11, Don Norman, 54.
Yeah, I'm gonna show this on my channel, man. You're enjoying that Italian ice, aren't you?
Oh, yeah, man.
You know, I'm gonna give it a good walk around.
Truck too.
You good, man? Stereo system, V8, Deuce Coupe. I'm not sure what car this is, but it's badass.
It is
I don't.
No, that's a,
Oh, this is a swap. This is a swap. That's what car it is. 1939 Coupe Duplex.
Coupe Deluxe.
Deluxe. I don't know, I can read that shit, but it's a Ford. Ford with the Chevy engine. That's a V8.
Get out of here. No,
Yes.
no way. This is a sleeper. This is a
That's a sleeper, man.
That's
All these old ass. That one over there, that Coupe Deluxe over there, that's a sleeper. That's a drag car.
Listen to that. That's the Ford.
Romp it! He can't hear me.
30s Batmobile.
Hell yeah. Drag slicks.
Thompson tires.
Right. Go ahead. That thing's badass.
Sounds wonderful.